Hello everyone, my name is Petey from Dogman. Today we're gonna play some football. Yay. Alright guys, we're here outside up in the garage. So today we're gonna play some football. And I'm here with my friend, Mr. CBS, but I'm not here with my coach. Yeah, not my friend, but the coach, Mr. CBS. Hi. Hello. So we're gonna play some football with coach. Hey Petey, throw the football at that one, right? Hey Petey, Petey, throw the football at this one. Alright, ready, get set. Throw the football and hand in the net. Get set. Hey. No, Petey, no. No, Petey, no. Throw the football at this one right here. Throw it. Set. Hunt. You ready, Petey? You. Throw the football at this one. Ready. High. Higher. Yes. Good boy. Good job. You're gonna know. You know what? I love football. Petey loves football. Petey, throw the football at this one. Oh, let me show you how to kick it. When you kick the football, right? Oh, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work anymore. Alright, Petey, when you throw the football, right? Throw the football at like this. Watch. You see that? You see that, Petey? Do it. Just do it. Look at me, Petey. I'm your coach. Your coach, Mr. CBS. The coach. So you're gonna throw it like this. Ready, set, hunt. Just like that. Can you do it? Yes. Ready. Set. Get set. Ready. Get set. Hunt. Good job. Now you are the best cat ever. I know it's not the best cat, but it's just doing it. And anyways. Alright. Petey, you have fun, okay? And then I'm gonna start. You have fun, okay, Petey? Well, I'm gonna sit down and relax and chill. Alright. Ready, set, hunt! What's that? It's not a real thingy. There we go. I just paused the video because it has a lot of things to do. Alright, ready, set, hunt. And Petey, I'm gonna go check on you and see what you're doing. I'll be right back. Alright, coach. And Mitchell, don't you throw the football at the dog poop. Alright? Don't you throw it at the dog poop. Poop, okay? Good. It didn't do anything. Oh no. Oh no. Petey. What did Petey do? Come on, Petey. Alright, ready. Hold on, move. What happens? Oh, ow! Hold on. I don't want to step it. I don't want to step that end. I want to step that end. Step. End. Petey, don't you step on the end here. Ready, set. At home, I have to play football by myself. So before the coach are coming, my coach, Mr. CBS Premier. Ready, get set. Get set. Huh. Alright, I'll be right back. I have to wait to the coach until we get back. A few minutes. I'll be right back. A few minutes later. Oh, Petey, I'm back. Did you play football by yourself? Yes, we did play football. We did football all by myself. Good. Come here. Look at me. You. Throw the football at the trees right here. Alright, go to football like this one. Alright, so make sure don't you ever step on the dog poop. Alright, ready, go! Good job. Now one more time, see how did they work? Good job. So P, don't you throw the football at the ants here, because the ants will get the football, so the ants doesn't want to get you hurt. All right, and don't you get you into trouble, or else me are gonna go get it. All right, coach. Good. All right, Petey, I want you to throw the football at the other tree, like this. Look, let me show you. Look at this. Watch this. Did you see that? Oh, yeah. Did you see that? Look, Petey. I do it like this. Look, can you do it? Of course I do it. Of course. Then let's do it then. Thou said, hut. No. Look at me, Petey. Oh. Look at me, Petey. This is the last time where you throw the football at the trees. Remember that now. Look at me, Petey. Look at me. When you see the football right here, it's gonna come out to the trees. Alright? Alright, good cat. Alright. Are we ready? Get set. Hunt. Good cat. Good job, Petey. You are now reward cat. Are you gonna get rewards, right? Yeah. You should get a reward for this. Alright, Petey. I want you to throw the football at the what's it called? I don't want to get stepped up by the ant peel, but ant hill. Sorry. Oh, Petey, I was just wondering. I want you to throw the football at this one, like this. Look at this. Make sure don't you throw at the bushes, because they will get you. Did you see that? Look at me, Petey. Did you see that? That a little tree tried to catch you like the cactus. Ouch. Oh, I don't want to get myself hurt. I don't want to hurt myself. We're ready. Set. Petey. I'm Petey. Did you see the football? The football? What? Where's the football? Oh, there's the football. There's the football. I wonder if there's an NFL football team. Is there? You know, I don't think possibly taking this game. It's not a weird name. NFL name. Look at that. It has a lot of dirty stuff in there. Alright, Petey. Are we ready now? Football? Yes. That's the one. Petey, are you ready to play? I'm your coach. Ready, set, hunt. Oh, shoot. Almost forgot. Oh. Are we ready? Get, set, hunt. No, football. It's stuck into the van. Underneath the van. Let me go get it. Let's go get the... Oh no, the football got stuck in the van. Underneath the van. Petey, where'd you go get it? Because the football got stuck in the van. Let's go. Oh, that's the football. That's the football. Oh, acorn. Oh, look at that acorn. Oh, no, Petey, no. That's for the squirrel, not for you. You can't eat the acorn. Wait, set, hunt. Alright, Petey. I'll be right back in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside and take a chill break for a little bit. Alright? Alright. Well, I'll be right back there until a few minutes. I'm gonna check on you. Alright. So. Alright. Ready, set, hunt. Look at that, there, Petey. Look at that. No! Oh no, the football has got stuck in that thingy. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye. Follow more for Paul 2.